Fernandez and I'm an art teacher. Visit my website at pattyfernandezartist.com. Okay, let's draw. Today's project is how to draw Jack in the Beanstalk. I'm going to come up right at the top in the center and put a dot. And from that dot, I'm going to draw a curved line down and around on the left side. Come back to the dot, draw another curved line down, around, and connect on the right side. Starting over here on the bottom, I'm going to draw a curved line up, in, connect. Curved line out, 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 in, connect. You should hit your dot. Now I'm going to go the opposite direction down here at the bottom. I'm going to draw a curved line up, in, connect. 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 And one more if you can fit it. Curved line up, in, connect. Okay, starting over here on the left hand side, let's put 3 fingers and put a dot. From that dot going towards the left, I draw a curved line down, little curved line out, curved line over, leave it floating, come back up to the dot, curved line down, little curved line out, in, connect. Right about here, I'm just going to draw a curved line over, connect, a little curved line down here at the bottom, connect. Inside, 1, 2 little straight lines, come up, 1, 2 little dots. Right here in the center, I'm just going to go wavy, wavy line down, wavy, wavy line up, connect. On the left hand side, I draw a curved line out, in, connect. On the right hand side, curved line out, in, connect. Right on top, on the left, curved line out, in, connect. And on the right hand side, curved line out, in, connect. Okay, come all the way down here to the bottom, and right here about, we're just going to draw a curved line down and leave it floating. Because right here, we're going to put a dot, and we're going to draw a circle, straight line on the left, straight line on the right, slightly curved line, connect. I'm going to start right here at this point, and I'm going to draw a curved line out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curved lines, connect. Come up here on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little curved lines, and connect. Come back over here on the left, and we're just going to draw a curved line up, curved line down, connect. On the left hand side, we're just going to draw a curved line out, in, connect. Right hand side, curved line out, in, connect. 1 dot, 2 dots, little curved line over, big curved line up, little curved line, little curved line. Right here, wavy, wavy, wavy line, jump over, wavy line, connect. Come back to this part, wavy line, if you have room, wavy, wavy. Little bit of wavy line on the left, little bit of wavy line on the right. Okay, right inside, put a dot, and we're going to draw a curved line out, in, connect. Come back over here, put a dot. We're going to draw a curved line out, in, connect. Starting over here on the left, put a dot. We're going to draw a curved line out, connect. Put a dot. Curved line down, connect. Put a dot. curve line in, out, connect, put a dot. Curve line out, in, connect, put a dot. Curve line up, connect, put a dot. Curve line up, connect, put a dot. Now come back over here. Right here we're just going to add a curve line, connect, and I think that's about it. Okay, let's see how we're going to color this in. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dark green and I'm just going to draw a wavy line up and against this part of my circle. And I'm going to put a couple of green lines, curved lines, inside this space going all the way around. And we'll talk about what this all means when we get done. Usually I do light to dark, but today we're just going to use some dark green. And then we're going to come in with our lighter green and color each one of these spaces in. Okay? Now, pretty much the rest of this you can color any which way you want. You just want to make sure you get this section, all these spaces, colored green. Because these are supposed to be the beanstalk. Okay? But the rest of this, you can kind of color any which way you want. What I did was I took red violet and I colored in my bean on here, this space, and then I colored some of these beans red violet. But again, like I said, you can make your own choice. And I colored in this bean, this space, dark blue. Again, you can make your own choice. If you have colored face colors, skin tones, I colored in these spaces just so it doesn't look so white. If you don't, it's no big deal. And again, like I said, pretty much all of this you can color any which way you want. This is just what I did. Then I took my different color brown and I colored in his hair, or this space. And I colored in his shirt this color, blue-green. Oops, I forgot my hand. Hello. If you have face color, skin tones, you can color in this just so it doesn't look so white. Now my cow, the only thing I probably would make everybody do the same color was I just gave it a pink muzzle, little mouth. So this was pink. But the rest of the cow you can kind of do any color you want. So I think I gave my cow a tan face and then black ears and a black body and a little tan part right here at the top. And then I colored in my eggs blue, my beans blue, green, and yellow. Okay? And then, because I had my yellow out, I just put some yellow stripes in the background just to fill in the space. Okay? Let's see what this looks like all colored in. Okay, here's Jack and the Beanstalk all colored in, waiting for the giant. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Okay, bye-bye.